What do you got in there, man? Just the pipe?
Yeah.
Is that it?
Yes, sir.
8433.
All right. Go ahead and put you in cuffs for right now while I search through your vehicle, okay? All right, turn around for me. There you go. Just for now, all right?
All right.
Put your hands behind your back. What else you got in there? Huh?
Nothing else.
That's it? What's in the pipe? Huh? Huh? Okay. 3 Paul 1019, my number. There you go. Just back up for me. Chill out, man. Just go search your vehicle and go from there, all right? What's going on, man? Why are you running? Huh? Why are you running, dude?
3 Paul 1019, go with me advised. The mail is showing DL is expired and not eligible due to mandatory suspensions due to drug offenses. I am showing him on probation in Montgomery County.